video I told you about arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, multiply, division and the remainder sign, that is the percentage sign. So in this video I will be continuing with comparison operator under the same topic, that is operators. We are studying categories of operators. So the next category is comparison operator. Comparison operators are just like your relational operators. Just as in mathematics you use greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and this sign is not equal to. So these operators are used in computers also for comparison calculations in the formulas. Next category is reference operators. Reference operators are these three. First is colon sign, which is used as the range sign. Suppose you want to select number of cells from A6 till A10. So the colon is used here to combining the cell numbers, that is depicting that from A6 till A10 we have selected the range of cells. Next is space. Space is just your space bar of the keyboard. It is used as an intersection of the ranges. Suppose you are writing in one single bracket that these two ranges we have selected. So the first range is A6 till A10 space. It is an operator which is telling us that the second range is selected B5 till B9. So two ranges are selected and it is separated by space. And the third operator under the category reference operator is comma. So the comma is used for combining two ranges. Just as in this example, I have written sum, the bracket, first range is B5 till B9 and comma A6 till A9. So two ranges. For that we have to calculate the sum. So it is telling us that comma operator is helping us to writing separate ranges in one particular block. So this was reference operators. Next are logical operators. So in under the logical operator category we have three operators, that is not operator, and operator, or operator. For not operator we have sign as exclamatory mark. So this sign is used as not operator in the computers. Now what is this sign? This exclamatory sign will invert the bit. User is taking the signals in bits. So suppose user will enter 0. This sign will invert the 0th bit to 1. If user will enter 0, if the not sign is there, then it will convert into 1 sign. And if 1 is there, it will invert the bit into 0. So inversion of bits will be done with the help of not operators. See, I cannot give you much details about these three operators because this whole topic is covered in 9th and 10th class in Java, because when we make digital circuits we need these operator signs. Okay, these are the logic gates which are used in making digital circuits. This you will be studying in physics also in +1 or +2. So these things are in very detailed, but right now you need not to know. You need to know only the introduction part, that logical operators are used to make digital circuits. So not operator is used for inverting a bit, that is from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. And operator sign is ampersand sign. जैसा आपका एंड का साइन होता है वही साइन हम एंड ऑपरेटर के लिए यूज करते हैं. एंड दिस साइन इज, नाउ लेट्स सी दिस एग्जांपल. This I have taken for AND operator. So this is written if 5 is greater than 3 and sign 2 is less than 0. For AND operator, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका AND operator वर्क करे, that means next जो लिखी गई स्टेटमेंट्स हैं उनको एग्जीक्यूट करे, AND ऑपरेटर की साइड्स पे लिखी हुई दोनों कंडीशंस की मस्ट है कि वो ट्रू रहे. दैट इज अगर 5 3 से बड़ा है, इस साइड की कंडीशन भी ट्रू हो गई. देन ऑन द राइट साइड इज 2 लेस देन 0. अगर ये भी कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाए, राइट, दोनों कंडीशंस ट्रू होंगी तभी आगे की स्टेटमेंट्स रन होंगी, राइट, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट रन. नाउ सपोज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज करेक्ट. 5 is greater than 3. Yes, 5 is greater than 3. 2 is less than 0. No, 2 is not less than 0. That means this condition has become false now, and this is true. But AND operator says that both the conditions is must to be true. So it means this statement will not be executed if block will move to this statements. The rather than showing hello output, it will be showing by as output. That means AND operator says both the conditions written on the sides of AND operator. If both the conditions are true, only then it will be executed, otherwise not. Suppose I'll change some example.